Welcome to MyKidReports. Today, we'll see how parents can use the MyKidReports app to stay connected with their child's activities, attendance, and school updates. When your school adds your email address as a parent, you'll receive an invitation email. From there, set your password, and then log into the MyKidReports app using your email ID and password. The app is available on both the Google Play Store and the Apple App Store. When you log in for the first time, you'll see a guided tour. This guide introduces the main features of the app, such as attendance, child activities, payments, and calendar. Read through each step carefully and tap Next until you finish the tour. These are the same features we'll now explore in detail. After login, you land on the home screen. Here, you'll see a scrollable dashboard with blocks such as attendance status, showing if your child is currently checked in or out, payments, balance, dues, and statements, activity feed, a snapshot of your child's daily activities and reports, messages, latest messages from the school, today's calendar, upcoming events scheduled by the school. Under More Information, here parents can quickly check their child's attendance report and view their child's profile details. For full details of each, you can tap the respective bottom menu tabs, Messages, Feeds, Calendar. Now let's see all the features one by one. Starting at the top, you will see the Check-in, Check-out button showing your child's current attendance status. From here, parents can check their child in or out in two ways. Let's see how. When parents arrive at the center, they can use the Check-in kiosk screen on the device placed at the entrance. The first way is by scanning a QR code. When logged in as a parent, you'll see a Check-in button at the top of the app screen. By tapping it, you can open the scanner and use it to scan the digital QR code displayed on the kiosk to complete check-in or check-out. Another way is by using a 6-digit code. Parents can enter their unique 6-digit code to check their child in or out. To find this code, from the home screen, tap the profile icon. Then select your child's profile. Scroll down to the Family Members section. Here you'll see the unique 6-digit code. If there is more than one family member, each member will have their own unique code. If parents don't have their device, this code can also be provided by the school. The code can then be entered directly into the kiosk. If check-in questions are enabled, parents will be prompted to answer them before completing the process. If signatures are required, they will also be asked to provide a digital signature. Once complete, the system confirms the action, and parents immediately see that their child has been successfully checked in or out. Scrolling down on the home screen, you'll find the Activity Feed section. This feed displays all the daily updates shared by staff for your child, such as meals, naps, moods, learning activities, and photos. To view the complete list, parents can tap on the Feeds icon from the bottom menu. This opens the full feed, showing every activity posted by staff. Each entry is displayed with details, notes, and any attached photos, all organized in chronological order, giving parents a clear, real-time view of their child's day. Now let's see the Messages section. When you tap on the Messages icon from the bottom menu, you can view all communications sent by your child's school or direct updates from staff. Any unread messages are clearly highlighted. From the top, you can also apply a filter to view only unread messages, making it easier to spot new information quickly. Simply tap on a message to open it and read the full details, and you can also reply directly from there. If you want to send a new message, tap on the New Message button. Select who you want to send it to, add a subject, type your message, and then tap Send Message. This way, parents can stay connected and never miss any important updates from their child's school. Now let's see the calendar. When you tap on the calendar icon from the bottom menu, you'll see your child's schedule displayed in a calendar view. You can switch between month view and week view depending on how you prefer to track events. From here, You can also choose what to display on your calendar. Simply check or uncheck categories like U.S. holidays, events, learning plans, or schedules. This acts as a filter, so you only see the information that's relevant to you. Tap on any date to see the details of events planned for that day. All events appear with their names, times, and descriptions, making it easy for parents to stay informed about upcoming activities. And you'll receive instant notifications whenever a new event is added for your child. This ensures you never miss an important update from the school. Stay connected, stay informed, and make the most of your child's school journey with MyKidReports.